Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the best settings and hotkeys for League of Legends. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, let's go ahead over the settings right here. Once you have the client opened up, so just click on the gear icon at the very top and let's go through it one by one. So, general, first off, if you have a low-end computer, you can go ahead and use enable low spec mode right here. As enabling this will reduce visual fidelity in certain areas of the client, but may significantly improve performance. Okay, just enable it if you have a not so powerful computer. Okay, so I have a decent computer. I'm just going to leave it unticked. You should enable this toggle as well. Disable interactive background effects if you have a low spec computer. Okay, make sure that you tick all of these. All right, or these three. Now the window size, you can just keep it to 1920 by 1080 if you have a 1080p monitor, or you can keep it to 1440 if you have a 1440p monitor. But again, if your graphics card or CPU is not the best, you can just go ahead and try to lower it down. All right, so once that's done, you can untick automatically send crash reports. Untick this one. You can hide all names or hide your own name. Also hide your identity info from everyone if you want to. Okay, so go ahead over to notifications right here. You can disable all esports notifications and allow game invites only from friends if you want. You could disable collections as well. All right, chats and friends right here. This one is really up to you. Okay, let's just go ahead over to sound. Enable sound, but if you don't want the background music, just like when you open up the launcher, disable it. All right, now go back to voice right here. You select your input device, select the correct microphone. You could automatically join party voice right here if you toggle this on, and mute yourself when connected to League Voice. Okay, the voice input method right here could always be turned on all the time, or you can go ahead and choose to use a push to talk. You can then click on this button right here and add in the key that you want, for example, T. Click on save, then go to hotkeys most importantly. Okay, so as you can see here, as per recording, it's May 25, 2026. The hotkey section is now moved to where? To the in-game options menu. All right, so go ahead and let's try to hop into a game just for you to see. So as you can see here, the game is now opened. Just press escape on your keyboard. And then in here, you can just go ahead and go through the video options right here again. If you have a lower or low-end computer, just move the graphics options right here to very low. Okay, and once done, don't forget to hit on save. Wait a bit, click on OK. Now, once that's done, again, just press escape and let's go ahead over to hotkeys. Now, in here, I would highly suggest you to use quick cast all, okay, not normal cast all. So just click on this option because you wanted your input keys to be automatically registered. All right, so use this option. Now scroll down. You have the abilities and summoner spells right here. You can just set this one however you want, okay? So, for example, for spell 1, you have Shift Q, Shift W for spell 2, and some other spells. All right, you can just click on the minus sign right here. Go ahead over to player movement or items. Item 1, item 2, you can go ahead and set this one however you want. Player movement, most especially, okay, mouse button 2, shift mouse button to attack or move. All right, I'll go back. You have camera control right here. These are the defaults. Okay, if I were you, I'm just going to keep it to default. Display, menus, item shop. Now also right here, we have quick cast with indicator. Disable this, okay? And if you want to, you could also bind auto attack move to left click only. As you might have remembered, we have set this one to shift and left click. So you could just go ahead and use this option, hit on save. Now go ahead and go back to your hotkeys. You can change this one, okay, if you want to. But if I were you, again, I'm just going to leave this one as is, as it's easier, okay? Now lastly here, let's go ahead over to interface. HUD scale, leave it 100 if you want to. But you can just go ahead and adjust it however you want. Let's say I'm going to put it to like 15 or 16. As you can see, it's smaller. Now you got a ton of room right here for information. Also, cursor scale, adjust this one however you want. You'd make it big as whatever. Okay. Now, shop scale, it's up to you. Chat scale, it's up to you as well. Most importantly, right here, we have the minimap scale. Make it bigger, okay, if you want to. So bigger map size or bigger minimap, more information. Show health bars, enable HUD animations, as like so, or disable it if you have a low-end computer. All right. Show names above help bar. You can. You could also just leave it to summoner name or none. All right. You could also enable legacy cursor right here, as you can see here. You could show the minimap on left or right. So just stick on this option if you can. My cursor is so big I can't click it. All right. Like that. Where was it? Right here. As you can see, you can put it right here on the left or right, but no option for top right or top left. And that's basically it. Everything right here will be your decision. Okay, I'm just trying to explain to you what these settings can do. But that's just basically it. Those are the best settings and hotkeys for League of Legends. Just click on save and enjoy playing. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.